Hey everyone, hope everyone is having a really great day. I'm just here to tell you a little bit about a bronzer that I recently purchased by Ciate, London. So a little bit about the product. This is a bronzer. It's different than other ones because this one is spiked with amaranth and sunflower extracts, which helps soothe and smooth your complexion. So I absolutely love makeup that doubles as skincare, and it seems like this brand does as well. It also has oil controlling ingredients, so aside from getting a faux sun-kissed glow without all the heat damage, you'll stay shine free all day also, which is great for me because my skin tends to get oily really easily. This has a lightweight matte finish powder bronzer with oil controlling ingredients for a shine-free, warm, and radiant glow. So I absolutely love the color of this. It's really nice and I love this brand. So a little bit about the product description. The bamboo bronzer is infused with beautifying botanical ingredients known for their skin soothing, oil controlling properties. Dust the super blendable powder onto the chin, cheeks, forehead, and collarbones for a lasting radiant glow. Which is awesome because it's January here in New York and I wish I had a tan. The mattifying formula helps to control shine, while the bamboo extract smooths and perfects the look of the skin by minimizing the appearance of the texture. It is enriched with nourishing sunflower and amamarith oils. Leaves your skin natural looking with a nice glow that's never orange, and the quickie contour, no need to sculpt and bake all day. Shape up in seconds with the speedy routine. Number 1, hold the brush handle against your cheek to help find the bottom of your cheekbones. Number 2, apply contour shade or matte bronzer where the brush handle was. Number 3, add a soft layer of contour along your temples, blending into the hairline. And number 4, lightly sweep the contour or bronzer along your jawline, blending downward for natural looking definition. The product is at 0.32 ounces and the shipping weight is 0.5 ounces. So, I mean, it's small, but a little bit goes a long way for sure. So this is the back. It says content made in Italy, not for resale, bamboo bronzer. And then we have all the ingredients listed here. So I'll name a few of them. Talc, mica, zeamase, cornstarch, dimethicone, zinc stearate, copolymer, esters, silica, potassium sorbate, iron oxide, so on and so forth. The net weight is 2.2 grams or 0.077 ounces, made by ClateLondon.com, distributed by Ciate London, London SW40NF. And the color is Palm Island, but they have other colors as well. I think that the packaging is really pretty. It's like plastic with a little bow and some stars. So I'm going to open this up to show you guys. So it doesn't come with a mirror or anything like that, but that's all right. I don't really need it. I just do it in my house. Just to show you guys the color. I just use like a regular makeup brush to apply. So I will show you guys. Just need like very little. I usually go like this. Just gonna apply a little bit on my leg to show you guys. I can't really see. You guys can really see. Probably hard to. But yeah, it just applies really easily. Has a really wonderful color, and like the product description says, not orangey at all. It's just 100% natural looking. There you go. You can see it more on my fingertips there. Just like a nice light glow, and it's definitely great for oil absorbing. I get a really oily T-zone. I guess that's like the most common area where women get oily skin. So on my T-zone, I get that annoying oil, and I just make sure that when I apply this, I really focus on that area so that, so I could go the day without getting oily and blotchy from, just everyday oils and pollution in the air. And this just kind of helps to absorb my skin's natural oils as well, which is really awesome. So I've been really happy with it. I hope that you guys will try out Ciate London. bronzer in Bamboo Island, or I'm sorry, bamboo bronzer in Palm Island, and I hope you love it. And it acts as both a makeup and a skincare, so what's better than that? I hope you guys have a great night, and I thank you so much for watching my video. See you later, guys.